Hello viewers, this is Jogdan Geography. Today we will learn about the water system, or why is water depleting in urban areas, or what is the cause of the depletion of water in urban areas. Means if you see the conditions of urban area, whether it is a Nanded, Parbhani, Hingoli, Latur, Mumbai, New York or New Zealand, any country in the world, in cities maximum roads are constructed using the cement concrete, and the most of the area of the city or urban area is covered with the cement concretes, and everywhere there are cement roads. So that's why water cannot enter into the ground in the city area. But if you see in these villages, there are no city areas, means it is the natural condition of the atmosphere. There are means no cement concrete roads. Here the water stores for a long period of time, and if the water is accumulated here for a long period of time, then this water gradually seeps into the ground, and that's why groundwater level increases in rural area. But in city area, it is hardly very impossible to increase the groundwater level in cities. That's why as during the month of March, April, May, in most of the part of the cities, the borewell dries up. The main cause of drying borewell in urban area is the depletion of water, because in urban area, because of the concrete roads, because of the cement road, because of the growing area of the cement concretes or the buildings which do not permit water to percolate or seep into the ground. But in but in villages or in rural area, everywhere there are natural conditions. Means here you can see clearly this is the porous rock. So this is the porous rocks, and here there is a soil. So and gradually soil helps the water to seep into the ground, and that's why groundwater level increases in village area. This is the natural condition. So nature has gifted us everything, but because of the human intervention, means the natural ecosystem of our planet is gradually changing. So we must try our best when we are living in urban areas. Now the government have started different projects like Pani Adwa or Pani Jirwa. Even in our buildings also, if we are living in buildings, if we are living in bungalows also, then we can gather or accumulate the water that falls in the form of rainy season. During rainy season, means the entire water of the rain means can be stored, and that entire water through the particular pipeline, okay, we can let that water go deep into the ground in our near home. We can simply a pipeline can be installed on the terrace, and the same one pipe, whatever the rain fall during the monsoon season, that entire water can be accumulated and let that water go deep into the ground. In this way, means when we do this, it will definitely increase the groundwater level of your building or of your area. Means that's why Pani Adwa, Pani Jirwa. So and here in villages there is no need to Pani Adwa, Pani Jirwa, but during in villages also, most of the villages in Maharashtra, talukas, they have started this scheme Pani Adwa, Pani Jirwa, and this is the best example of Pani Adwa. So you can see far away everywhere, means the government of this local area has launched these projects. That's why this whenever there is a rainfall, such a water is accumulated, and the same when groundwater level increases, this supplies water to the nearby plants. What a beautiful nature. Okay, we must be thankful to nature. So let's plant for a planet and save water. Thank you.